Welcome to Sharad V. More English School on a lecture. Good morning, good afternoon, student. Now we have to start the practice set 2.2 and the question number 9. Okay, up to question number 8 we have solved yesterday. Now see the question number 9. Question number 9. Oh, sorry, question number 9 is already completed. Now question number 10 is remaining. 25 m square is equals to 9. Now see, is this is quadratic equation or not? Is this is quadratic equation or not? So this is quadratic equation because the m is only variable, and the highest power or maximum index on that variable is 2. So that's why this is also a quadratic equation. Now let's see the solution of it. Question number 10. Now bring the 9 from the right hand side to left hand side, so this will become minus 9. So 25 m square minus 9. Understood, student? So here we can write down 25 m square minus 9 as 5m whole square, 5m whole square minus square of 3 is equals to 0. Now you know that. Yes, here the 25 m square is the square of the 5m and this 9 is the square of the 3. ये 9 किसका स्क्वायर है 3 का, तो दैट्स व्हाई 5m square minus 3 square is equals to 0. ये हो गया आपका 5m square minus 3 square is equals to 0. Now see, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So now when you write in the product form, so you will get the a plus b and a minus b, because you know that when it is a plus b and a minus b, so your answer is a square minus b square. So here the equation is given in this form, a square minus b square. Now I have written the form of the perfect square. Okay, now see, we will write in the form of the product. So now one time we will write the 5m plus 3, and in second bracket we will write the 5m minus 3 is equals to 0. Understood, student? ये समझ में आ गया आपको? Now since the product of these two brackets equals to 0, it means either 5m plus 3 is equals to 0 or 5m minus 3 is equals to 0. It's clear now? Now therefore 5m is equals to minus 3, 5m is equals to minus 3, or here 5m is equals to 3. So therefore m is equals to minus 3 upon 5, or m is equals to 3 upon 5. Now see the answer, minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now check it that roots are equal or not equal. So here see the minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. So the sign are different. So that's why these two roots are not equal. Minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 are the root of given quadratic equation and roots are not equal. Remember this. यहाँ पे root equal नहीं है. Now the question number 11. Question number 11. 7m square is equals to 21m. Okay, now again we will bring this 21 on the left hand side. We will bring this 21 on the left hand side, so this will become minus 21m is equals to 0. Now in between these two terms, the 7, because 7 3 is a 21, so 7 and m can be taken as common. So now we are taking the common as 7m. So what will left here, m, and what is left here, minus 3 is equals to 0. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. देखो यहाँ पे m कॉमन ले लिया तो एक m बच गया और 7 ऑलरेडी कॉमन में है एंड 21 is broken down into the 7 into 3. So now 7 is taken as common, so 3 will left. So now see here, the 7m into m minus 3 is equals to 0. It means 7m is equals to 0 और m minus 3 is equals to 0. ये दोनों में से किसी न किसी की वैल्यू 0 है, देन द प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तभी प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, 0 होगा. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. समझ में आया स्टूडेंट? ओके, नाउ सी therefore m is equals to 7 0 upon 7. So when we divide the 0 by any number, so we get the 0. So m is equals to 0, and here m is equals to, now bring this 3 on the right hand side, so this will be 1 plus 3. Now write down the answer. 0 and 3. 0 and 3 are roots of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. Full stop. It's clear now. Now see the last question. Question number 12. M square minus 11 is equals to 0. M square minus 11 is equals to 0. Now see, this is also the quadratic equation because there is only one variable. There is only one variable, and the maximum power on that variable is 2. So this is also the quadratic equation. Now see the solution of it. So m square minus this 11 can be written as under root 11 square is equals to 0, because we know that under root 11 into under root 11 is equals to what? 11. So here it is written in which form? A square minus b square form. इस फॉर्म में इसको हमने लिख दिया a square minus b square, and we know that when in bracket a plus b and a minus b, then only we get the square and minus b square. So now m plus under root 11, m minus under root 11 is equals to 0. Therefore m plus under root 11 is equals to 0, or m minus under root equals to 0. So therefore m is equals to minus under root 11, or m is equals to under root 11. It's clear now? Now write down the answer. Minus under root 11 and under root 11 are roots of given quadratic equation. Now we have completed the all questions of practice set 2.2. This is the questions of the what? Practice set 2.2. Understood student? Practice set 2.2. Now see, the practice set of the 2.3, that is solution of the quadratic equation by completing square, is completely omitted for this year. इसको भी क्या किया है, पूरी तरह से omit कर दिया है, कैंसिल हो गया है, वो सिलेबस में नहीं है इस साल के. ओके, क्या पार्ट नहीं है? द okay, now we will see the questions of practice set 2.4, because 2.3 is completely omitted, and here it was the completing square method. ये completing square method था, वो omit हो गया है. अब हम लोगों को क्या देखना है? Practice set 2.4. Now see the questions of the practice set 2.4. Practice set 2.4. See the question number 1. Question number 1. 2.3 is omitted. जो 2.3 है वो पोर्शन में नहीं है इस साल के. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? उसमें जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, all questions are cancelled for this year. Now see the question number 1. Compare the following quadratic equation to the general form and write the value of A, B and C. So already you have done this type of the question in practice set 2.1. 2.1 में आप ऑलरेडी ये क्वेश्चन कर चुके हो. जो क्वेश्चन 1 है यहाँ पे, दिस इज द रिवीजन फॉर यू. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? Compare the given quadratic equation to general form and write the value of ABC. Because now here we have to solve using the formula. So while finding the solution using the formula, we have to know the value of A, B and C. हम लोगों को क्या जरूरत है? वैल्यू ए बी और सी की जानने की जरूरत है. Understood, student? Now let's revise the first question. Means to find out the value of A, B and C. Question number 1. Question number 1. Question number 1 देखेंगे. On their dash dash they mention their and they वेन्यू एंड टाइम नीचे भी मेंशन किया गया है. वेन्यू मतलब एड्रेस, टाइम मतलब जिस टाइम से जिस टाइम तक आपको बोला था. मैं आपको यहाँ थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. 6th स्टैंडर्ड में हम लोगों ने एक एप्लीकेशन बनाया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the value of A, B and C. Suppose first one I have taken x square minus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0. This is the equation. Now write down its solution. Comparing the given comparing the given quadratic equation with what is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So therefore a is equals to what? A is the coefficient of square term. So here coefficient of square term is 1. And b value, the coefficient of the x. So here negative sign is there. And in the standard form there is no negative sign. It means the coefficient is negative. So this will be minus 7. And at C there is 5. It is 5. Okay, positive 5. So A, B, C we found. Now write down the answer. A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 7 and C is equals to 5. This is your answer. Now second question. Second question is 2m square is equals to 5m minus 5. 2m square is equals to 5m minus 5. Now arrange the equation. Now see the solution. 2m square is equals to 5m minus 5. Now bring all terms on the left hand side. जितने भी term है उसको हम left side में ला रहे हैं. इसके लिए वर्कशॉप स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 10 उनके पेरेंट्स के लिए वर्कशॉप का इन्विटेशन है कहाँ पर है अभी कौन है पर्सन की कितनी कोई पर्सन को बुला रहे बोलने के तो वो हमने उसको पोस्ट होगा ना. Okay. 2m square. Now we are bringing both term on the left hand side, so this will become minus 5 and this minus 5 will become plus 5 and here 0 will be there. Now see, comparing the given equation, comparing the given quadratic equation with comparing the given quadratic equation with ax square. So at place of x we will write the m because the variable is m. Am square plus bm plus c is equals to 0. So therefore a is equals to 2 because coefficient of the m square is 2 and coefficient of m is minus 5 and the constant term is 5. So c is equals to 5 here. It's clear now. Now see the third question. In third question what is given? Y square is equals to 7y. Y square is equals to 7y. This is your equation. Now Bring it into the standard form first. Solution y square is equals to 7y. So therefore y square minus 7y is equals to 0. क्या हो जाएगा? Y square minus 7 is equals to 0. Now see the constant term is missing. Constant term is missing here. So y square minus 7y plus 0 is equals to 0 because this c is missing here. Now comparing the given quadratic equation with a y square because variable is y here, a y square minus by plus c is equals to 0. So therefore a is equals to 1 because coefficient of y square is 1 here and b is equals to minus 7 and c is equals to 0 here. Because there is no constant term, it means the constant term is 0 इन दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. अगर आपको नहीं दिया है इसका मतलब क्या है कि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में जो कांस्टेंट टर्म है वो कांस्टेंट टर्म की वैल्यू कितनी है? 0 है. क्लियर हो गया स्टूडेंट? ओके. नाउ let's see the formula that we will use to find out the solution of the quadratic equation or to find out the root of the quadratic equation. वो formula देखेंगे. ठीक है? The formula and then we will utilize it. The formula is minus sorry, here formula is x is equals to, if the variable is x, so we will write the x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula that we will use to find out the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay. Now see again, x is equals to, if the equation in the form of the x coefficient के x variable के form में है, then x is equals to minus b. You know that here b is this, for this quadratic equation b is this, and here it is minus b. Okay, and plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So what is b here? The coefficient of the middle term, coefficient of the second term, or coefficient of the variable which power is 1. Here also b square minus 4 into a is the a is equals to coefficient of the a and c is the constant term upon 2a. अब देखो ध्यान से, कुछ स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं 2a ओनली माइनस b के नीचे लिखते हैं, whereas the 2a is in denominator of the minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Okay, so now this value b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. तो नाउ first we will find out the discriminant and then we will substitute that value in the given formula. उसके बाद इस फॉर्मूले में क्या करेंगे? सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. समझ में आया स्टूडेंट? क्या करना है हम लोगों को? फॉर्मूला बाय हार्ट करना है आपको. ये फॉर्मूला आपको क्या हो जाना चाहिए? बाय हार्ट. एंड इफ द फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड देन इट इज आस्क्ड फॉर द 3 मार्क्स. ये 3 मार्क्स के लिए पूछता है बोर्ड एग्जाम में. देखो, नाउ द सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सॉल्व यूजिंग फॉर्मूला. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज सॉल्व यूजिंग फॉर्मूला. Full stop. Now see the first question. First question is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, x square plus 6x plus 5 is equals to 0. ये आपका क्या हो गया? क्वेश्चन. Now the first step of this question is to find out the value of a, b and c. फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी एंड सी। ये अपने को ये पहले काम करना है, ए और बी और सी का वैल्यू निकालना है। एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 6x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 0। कंपेयरिंग given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0। हम लोगों को क्या करना है, इस इक्वेशन को कंपेयर करना है, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0। So therefore a value is equals to 1 because before the x square there is no number, but in real there is always 1, comma the value of b is 6 here and value of c is equals to 5। So now here we found the value of a b and c। तीन वैल्यू हम लोगों को मिल गया। कौन कौन सी तीन वैल्यू हम लोगों को मिल गया, a एंड b एंड c वैल्यू। कौन सी वैल्यू मिली, a b एंड c। Now see, a b and c value we found here। Now we will find the discriminant value। discriminant value is equals to b square minus 4ac। इस वैल्यू को हम क्या बोलते हैं, discriminant। okay, earlier in first lesson you have studied about the determinant, this is discriminant, remember this। now at place of the b there is 6, so square of 6 minus 4 into a is 1 and c value is equals to 5। now here you have to square it। 6 to power 2 means what, square of 6, so 6 6 are 36। so here you will get the 36 minus 4 into 1 4, 4 5 are 20, so 36 minus 20 is equals to 16। So here what we have got, so therefore b square minus 4ac is equals to 16। ये वैल्यू हम लोगों को मिल गया किसका, b square minus 4ac का। So this is the first part of the solution। Here you will be given 1 marks, here you will be given half marks, and now when you solve this using the formula then you will get 1.5 marks। So in this way you will be given 3 marks in the examination if you solve this using formula method correctly। now see the formula, here the coefficient is x, so here x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a। this is the formula, okay, here write down formula। now here what do you write, substituting values। क्या लिखना है नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, substituting values, substituting values को substitute करना। now see in the formula there is minus, so minus, what is the b here, b is positive 6 plus minus, now we have found the b square minus 4c value is equals to 16 upon 2a, so 2 into a is equals to 1, so this is equals to minus 6। now plus minus, see the square root of 16, 16 is the perfect square of the 4। क्या है, perfect square है ना 4 का, तो 4 will come out and 2 into 1 is equals to 2, so this is equals to, now see here there are the two sign before the 4, one is positive 4 and second is negative 4। so now we will split it into the two parts। अब क्या करेंगे, इसको दो पार्ट में स्प्लिट करेंगे। यहाँ तक हमने क्या किया, कॉमनली सॉल्व किया, अब क्या करना है, इसको स्प्लिट कर देना है, इसको सेपरेट कर देना है। now see the 6 have only one sign, minus 6। now I am using this plus sign first, so minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 or x is equals to minus 6। now see the second sign is minus 4 upon 2, so therefore x is equals to minus 6 plus 4 is equals to minus 2 upon 2, क्या हो जाएगा, minus 2 upon 2 और x is equals to, now see both have the same sign, so the number will be added, minus 6 minus 4 is equals to minus 10 upon 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, so therefore x is equals to -1. x की वैल्यू कितनी है -1. तो here x is equals to 1 जा 2 2 5 जा 10. x is equals to -5. It's clear now, student. Now write down the answer. Now write down the answer. Minus 1 and -5 are roots of even quadratic equation. Full stop. It's clear now, student. Now how you have to solve the quadratic equation using the formula. So first step to compare. If it is in standard form, then you compare and write down the formula ABC when value. And if it is not in the standard form, then you have to convert it into the standard form. After that, you have to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Then you have to use the formula. Next, you have to substitute the value and find out the value. Now, how you will check that your answer is correct or not? अगर आपको चेक करना है कि आपका आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं है, तो हाउ यू विल चेक? नाउ सी द x वैल्यू इज -1 एंड -5, तो यू हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट सेम वैल्यूज इन द गिवन इक्वेशन. गिवन इक्वेशन जो है उसी में क्या करेंगे, हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. एंड इफ द लेफ्ट साइड इक्वल बिकम टू राइट साइड, देन द आवर सॉल्यूशन इज करेक्ट. तो अपना सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा, करेक्ट होगा, अदरवाइज इनकरेक्ट होगा. ओके, नाउ सी the question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is x square minus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now repeat the question. X square minus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Comparing given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So therefore a. Now see the coefficient of x is 1 here and coefficient of the x is b, and here it is -3 and constant term is -2. Okay, a की वैल्यू कितनी मिली है 1, b की वैल्यू कितनी है -3 and c की वैल्यू -5 -2. A is equals to 1, B is equals to -3 and C is equals to -2. Now we will find out the value of B square minus 4AC. And what is this value? This value is called as the discriminant. It's called discriminant. Okay, student, understood? Now B square minus 4AC, we will substitute the value. Over here. Now what is the B? B is equals to -3. So take into bracket. So -3 square, because the square is on the B. So -3 square minus 4 into A. A is equals to 1 and C is equals to -2. So this is equals to square of -3. Now you know that the square of positive number as well as the square of negative number is always positive. The square of 3 is 9. And here 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8. So minus will become plus. Okay, because see -4 into 2, 4 2 is 8, and this minus on multiplication will become plus. 9 plus 8 is equals to 70. So here b square minus 4 value is b square minus 4ac is equals to what? 70. Now the variable is x here, so we will write in the form of the x is equals to -b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is equals to so -b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substitute the value. Here write down the formula. So minus, what is the b value? B value is already minus. So take it into the bracket. This minus is present in the formula, and this is the value of b. Here b value is negative, so that's why I have taken into the bracket plus minus. Now b square minus 4ac value we already calculated here, and it is 17 upon 2 into a. Now a value is equals to 1 here, so 2 into 1. So here what you write? Substituting values. It's clear now. Okay, now see, this minus and minus on multiplication will become plus, and plus minus under root 17 upon 2 under 2. Now see the under root 17. Now 17 is not perfect square number, so nothing will come out. That's why we will keep it as it is. तो हम उसको क्या रखेंगे? As it is. उसमें से बिकॉज क्या होगा, कोई भी नंबर बाहर आएगा नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज अ प्राइम नंबर, it is not perfect square number. Now split into two parts, because before this square there is two sign, positive sign and negative sign. So 3 plus under root 17 upon 2, or x is equals to 3 minus under root 17 upon 2. 3 minus under root 17 upon 2, 3 plus under root 17 upon 2. Now write down the answer. 3 plus under root 17 upon 2 and 3 minus under root 17 upon 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. Now see student, here we got the conjugate pairs. Roots are present in the conjugate pairs. Conjugate pair के form में है. But you can't say that these two are the equal, because they having the different sign in between the 3 and under root 17. So here roots are not equal. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Let's see the solution. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equals to 0. Now compare this given equation with the standard form. I write down the equations once again. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equals to 0.